face, my friends. My father shooting at helpless old ladies.
Oh, look, son. She's about as helpless as a porcupine in a nudist colony. Sakes. This time, son, we leave nothing to chance. This is the most diabolical bird catcher ever invented.
Wouldn't you settle for a hamburger, Father?
I should say not. Now watch closely. We take an ordinary ball, set the dial, push the button, throw the ball into the air. Voila! No more ball.
Father, you're just not human.
Of course I'm not human. I'm a cat. And cats catch birds. So, we set the dial for a bird, press the button, and stand back and watch the fun. And that, my boy, is the way to catch a bird. Simple, isn't it?
That's what I told my new little friend here. No bird can outsmart my father.